Read the following song and then answer the questions that follow. The return. O people of Adesi, listen to the drums, listen to the ululations, bestow upon the son of our land. Celebrate him we must. From a young lad, hero is born, a role model to your sluggards. Can't you hear the praises over the wheat farms, bestowed upon the son of our land? To the nail fought he, people of Adasi, up to wine you must prepare. A drop for the ancestors, gods and him. On our land sun has shone. Elders, come, hear the sweet songs bestowed upon the son of our land. No more fear, the seer once proclaimed. No more sorrow upon the clansmen's faces. People of Adasi, you hold him high. For the son of Adasi is back and praises are bestowed upon the son of our land. Classify the above song. So it's a praise song. And then you give the reason. Can't you hear the praises over the wheat farms? Who is the singer? The singer is an observer within a community who proclaims of the heroic nature of the son of Adasi and urges people to come and celebrate the son of Adasi. Briefly explain what the song is about. The song is about the son of Adasi, who had gone for war and emerged victorious, finally returning home. People gather to sing praises to the warrior with drinks, drums, and ululations. D. Identify and illustrate one economic activity of the community. Wheat farming. You can say wheat farming or farming. And then you give the reason. Can't you hear the praise over the wheat farms? With illustrations, show what makes the song above an oral song. Sorry, I skipped. E. How is the community organized? The community is organized into clans and has elders. Why do we say that? Because elders come, hear the sweet songs, no more sorrow upon the clansmen's faces. F. With illustrations, show what makes the song above an oral song. Direct address, a role model to your sluggards. Repetition, people of Adasi. Refrain, bestowed upon the son of our land. Conversational tone, O people of Adasi. G. Identify and illustrate any one character trait of the son of the land. Courageous. And you give why, the reason why. To the nail fought, determined. From a young lad, hero is born. H. Describe the prevailing mood in the song. Jovial, it's a jovial mood or a celebratory mood. Because people are happy to celebrate the return and victory of the son of Adasi. And you can also give the example, they say they are celebrating we must. From a young lad, a hero is born. That is what they say in the song. That is what the song says actually. Explain the meaning of the following lines as used in the song. On our land the sun has shone. There is hope for the future. Or something good has finally happened. To the nail he fought. He fought courageously with determination. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video we can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.